Well, good morning. As you can hear, I'm in with Lady B. Let's take a quick look at her piglets. Good morning, Lady B. Yeah, your piggies are all doing good, aren't they? You've done well. Right, this is about the Christmas competition. So let's. Yeah, so here we are for question 6 of the Oxford Sandy and Black Christmas Competition 2024, where you can win, as I said before, the Inkbird kit to set up your own curing chamber, the curing and smoking book from River Cottage, and a Weschenfelder salami and chorizo starter kit, so that you can make your own chorizos and salamis in your new temperature-controlled, humidity-controlled environment. All you need to do is supply some lovely OSB port. Simple as that. Assuming you win, of course. So we're here for question 6, and question 6 is called Pig Logic. There's a series of clues that allow you to establish. So there's 6 pigs: Mary, Clarence, Sybil, Elsie, Jack, and Dandy. And they all have different pen locations and they all like different bedding. You need to figure out from the clues which pig is in which location and prefers which kind of bedding. And then from that, we're asking you to find, at the end of it, once you've solved it, we need, for D, we're finding D and L this week. Sorry, we're finding D and L today in question 6. We want the number of letters in the name of the pig that lives in the orchard, for D. And for L, we need to know the total letters between the bedding in Jack's pen and where Mary lives. If the answer to the number of characters is greater than 9, i.e. is 10 or 13, for example, just add the 2 digits together. So if it's 13, you add the 1 and the 3 and you get 4, and that will be your answer. So there's lots of clues out there. Sorry, there's lots of examples of these out there. All you got to do is Google the logic puzzles and give you an idea of what you need to do. Anyway, without further ado, here's question 6. Yeah, so there we go. Question 6, there for you. Just 2 more to go, one on Tuesday and then one on Thursday. And then you'll get all the details on how to input these numbers that you've been trying to get from the quiz into a national grid reference and locate a location in the UK with your chance to win this fun, wonderful prize. So, anyway, good luck as always, and I'll speak to you on Tuesday morning.